Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm freaking out, but I'm sure everything will be okay. It's pretty cold out here in Hanoi, Vietnam, so trying to dress as warm as possible, but also comfortable. I'm at my cousin's house in Hanoi, and I'm leaving here for the final time. I just got off of a 3-day, 2-night Halong Bay cruise. If you missed that video, then go watch it after this one or before this one, whatever you're choosing. But I'm quite I don't know if I'm tired. No, I'm not tired. I've been traveling all day already, and now I'm going to be on a 16-hour overnight train to Da Nang. Hoping that I get some type of sleep. I've downloaded all the movies and shows that I could possibly need on 16 hours. I stocked up with snacks and drinks just in case they don't provide anything on the train. No idea what to expect on this train, so I went to the grocery store and got a whole bunch of stuff. I know it's not much, but I have some chips, some water, Oreos, Fanta, some grapes. Bless me, y'all. I don't know why I got this, but I just figured it was something quick and instant just in case they didn't provide some kind of meal in there. I just don't know what to expect, but I'm hoping for the best. So I just arrived at the check-in for the train in the hotel. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm expecting. So I booked the Le Mans Express, and it is a VIP sleeper train. Le Mans Express uses only brand new trains and cars, and also provides a light food and beverage service.
So your room is under here. Under here is your bed.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's really smart.
So they will announce the different stops, right?
Yeah, it has like multiple stops, but like I would tell the conductor.
I want to be sure that I get off when I need to get off in Da Nang.
About arrival time is different on the ticket.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but I also tell the conductor so they will gonna knock on the door when it's about to arrive.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So I just been assigned my room here on the train, and I am rooming with 3 other people. Okay, so there's no tissue. Then go get my tissue. Didn't expect that. Keep going back and forth, but I'm trying to get situated. I want to go into the bathroom before the train starts. Forget my tissue.
Oh, I know. I have to get everyone.
And the wet wipes. Wow. All right. So I'm on the train. Thankfully, I am rooming with 3 very nice, hopefully, individuals. 2 of them are from Netherlands, and 1 of them is from England. They're very lovely, and we've already cheersed to a good 16-hour ride. Starting off pretty decent. Haven't been to it. just to not find coffee. And I don't even know which car I'm in, unfortunately. Darn it.
Just smile, one picture. Very nice. Oh, very nice.
Oh.
No, here, hang on. This one, let's try a bit moving. One more.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Right, very nice.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I have no idea where my room is, y'all. No idea. Maybe one more. They are packed like sardines in them. I thought it was like a sandwich or something, but it's just a croissant.
French croissant.
Yeah.
Super luxury.
I tried to find the restaurant car for some coffee. I couldn't, yeah. Bye. It's 10:30. My train doesn't arrive until 1:30. It was good to stretch my legs though.
About an hour behind schedule, so
Oh,
it'll be,
really?
Yeah,
Okay.
like maybe 2:30 for us. So it's meant to be about 1:30, I think.
Okay.
Unless they can put their foot down.
Yeah. We'll see. Did you sleep alright?
Yeah, I did. Did you?
Yeah, it was nice. It was. I mean, it was good. It was okay.
Yeah,
I
I woke up a few times, but I think
Yeah.
it's more because you're like, where am I? And then you're like, oh,
Yeah.
How was your first train ride
You know,
experience?
it was nice.
It is pretty.
No,
it's
it
pretty
was,
good.
I can't really complain. You know, it is what it is. And I can't expect, you know, an entire Orient Express. So.
Yeah, no, that is what I pictured at first.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Silver service.
Well, exactly. But no, it was good for what it was.
Good.
It is the last 45 minutes on this train, and although I can't say it has been a bad experience, it's been a decent experience. It's just long. Thankfully, it was an overnight train, and I slept for most of the hours, but you're literally just sitting here watching the time go by.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting?
16 hours, we finally made it to Da Nang, Vietnam. Say goodbye to my room for the last night and on to a new adventure. I survived my first Vietnam overnight train.
Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't.
It is absolute madness here at this Da Nang train station. You got people, you know, wanting to 1631. Is this mine? Yep. You have to keep in mind that it's still a holiday. It's a holiday, which is Vietnamese New Year. Things may be a bit crazier than normal because it is the Tet holiday.
Everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it.
Okay, this is some bull. They weren't that helpful at the desk. I'm assuming this is supposed to be like a regular room key, but it's not working. Okay. Vietnam. Beggars can't be choosers. Hello, it's not working. No. Okay, thank you. It was simple. Okay, thank you. She made it look very simple. I could have sworn I did that, but maybe not. Anywho, I finally made it. Looks clean.
Nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't.
Before I even step foot in here good and lay on this bed, I need to take a shower to get that train ride off of me. From the looks of it, found out afterwards that it doesn't look like they wash the sheets unless they absolutely have to. Yeah, beggars can be choosers. A couple hours later, guys, I was supposed to meet someone for dinner. I don't know if something's going on. Maybe I'm getting a head cold. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not feeling too hot. So I just brewed me some Theraflu. Hopefully that takes care of it for the night. Get rid of the head cold, and we'll see how I do in the morning. I ordered some KFC. Yeah, I know. KFC in Vietnam. Don't judge me. I just wanted something familiar. We are not here to judge. Oh. Let me take a bite of this chicken. I'm hungry. KFC, 10 times better abroad than the United States. 10 times better than the United States. 100% hands down. I found that out when I lived in Spain. The train ride, all in all, was, I mean, a success. It was what I expected it to be. I didn't expect it to be anything luxurious. I paid a total of $80 through a company called 12 Asia Go, but because I paid through a third party and not directly through the train, I had a different amenities than the regular people who paid through the actual train service. We were provided with coffee, tea, water, some snacks, a breakfast croissant, and Wi-Fi actually. So I did pay $80 for an overnight VIP sleeper train, but keep in mind, it is Tet holiday, which is the Vietnamese New Year. The prices has definitely increased because people travel throughout the New Year. I hope you did enjoy this video and you learned something from it for your travels. If you did, then I would appreciate a like, share, comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Let us cheers to normalizing the luxury to live free despite our fears. And pray that I do not come down with anything that's going to prevent me from moving about. See you in the next one.
We could be everything that we want. We could be everything.